Hi! In front of me is Nokia 224G, and today I would like to show you how you can add a photo to text message. Begin by opening menu and selecting messaging. Now pick one of your chats or create a new one. And when you're ready, access Type a Message section. Then click on this left button, choose Add Attachments, and pick Add a Picture. Now just select one of your photos that you wish to add. And as you can see, after that, my photo was successfully added to text message. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!